morning all my dear friends. I am Lakshman from class 6. Do you know what's special today? It's Maths Day. On this day, I want to share few examples about LCM and HCF. Do you know what is the full form of LCM? Least common multiple. And what is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. And the other name of HCF is GCD, greatest common divisor. Let's go to the explanation. I choose the values are 12 and 18. First we have to move these green one to 12 and we have to move these orange one to 18. 18 into 2. 18 2s are 36. 12 2s 24. 12 3s 36. The least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 36. Let us go to HCF for that questions only. We have to bring these one to 12. In 11 table, both 12 and 18 will multiplied or not? No. We have to move to 10. In 10 table, both 12 and 18 will multiply or not? No. We have to move to 9. In 9 table, both 12 and 18 will multiply or not? 18 will multiply, but 12 is not multiplied. So, 9 table, 18 and 12 is not multiplied. We have to move to 8 table. In 8 table, both 12 and 18 is multiplied or not? No, we have to move to 7. In 7 table, both 18 and 12 is not multiplied. We have to move to 6. In 6 table, both 12 and 18 is multiplied. So, 6 is the HCF for 12 and 18. Thank you to all. Have a happy Maths Day.